Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Discord account. So guys, let's go to your Discord. Now go to your profile, tap on account, swipe down. Now tap on delete account. So guys, in order to delete your account, you first have to transfer ownership of all servers that you own. So to do that, go back. Now tap on the server name, tap on settings, swipe down, tap on members. Now select the account you want to transfer ownership. And guys, if you have a small server or don't have any members, then you can delete your server. So for that, go back and tap on overview, swipe down. Now tap on delete account and then simply type in your Discord password here and then tap on OK. Then it will delete your Discord account. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.